Hello, my name is Samuel, and today I got to talk about the apps I use every day. Mm, One of my favorite app is WhatsApp. I use it to send messages, make voice calls, and video calls with my family and friends. I also use Instagram. Its main feature are shared photos, watching reels, sending direct messages, and following people and pages that I like. Another app use it YouTube. I enjoy videos to learn new things, listen to music, and watch entertainment. Finality, I use TikTok and go short videos about sports, motorcycles, funny content, and entertainment. I so like discovering new trends and creators. These are the apps I use the most, and they make my daily life easy. Thank you for listening.